What's good, baby, baby? What's good, baby, baby? What's good, baby, baby? What's good? So today's video, I am going to be making homemade Popeyes chicken sandwiches right here in my kitchen. Let's get into it. Okay, so I got my brioche buns, my chicken thighs, my vinegar, my milk, and I'm going to use that to make buttermilk. I got my pickles, my flour, and seasoning sauce and pepper, and I mixed the vinegar and the milk to make buttermilk. Trust me, guys, on that one, it works. Vinegar, milk, buttermilk. Trust me, guys. So I mixed 1 egg in with the buttermilk, and then I put my chicken thighs in there and let them marinate overnight. I put my chicken thighs, I'm losing my voice, guys. I put my chicken thighs in the buttermilk and I marinated them overnight. This is a very important step, guys. Let those chicken thighs marinate in that buttermilk and put 2 eggs. Mix buttermilk and egg, guys. That's how you do it. Then I poured some oil in the pan. I ran out, so I poured some more in the pan from a different oil. Let it get hot. But while I'm letting it get hot, I'm opening my flour and I'm getting ready to make my batter for my chicken. Yeah, I'm going to season that. Do you feel me? Do you feel me, guys? Are you still here with me, guys? I'm going to season with a little accent salt. I go in with a little bit of cayenne pepper. You're going to see me using garlic salt, all type of different sauce, because you need to season that flour. If you don't season that flour, your chicken is going to be bland. Do you feel me? And I know y'all probably like, how much did you use? I don't know how much I use, guys. Literally, I eyeball my seasoning sauce and my peppers, and I just literally season it till it looks like it's a good seasoning. I don't know. I just sprinkle here, sprinkle there, sprinkle everywhere, and then I shake it what your mama gave ya. Do you feel me? Shake some more. Yes, guys, get that stuff shaking up. Then take your chicken. Make sure your oil is hot. Boom. You just splash it. It's hot. Yeah, it's definitely hot. So you want to take your chicken that's already been buttermilk, dip it in that flour, toss and turn a couple times until you get it nice and coated, guys. Don't forget this step. Get that chicken nice and coated, okay? Then you take it back in the buttermilk, dip it again. Then back in the flour, get it nice and coated. Swish again. Okay, so you will see that it's nice and coated, okay? Watch me now. You watching? You still watching? So now you're gonna drop it in the pan. My stove on 5.5, but then I eventually turned it down once the oil got hot. I put it on 4. You wanna do your next piece. You do not want to overcrowd your pan. Do not put 6 pieces in at one time. You just put 2 chicken thighs in at one time and let that cook up real nicely for about 7 to 8 minutes. Maybe even 9 minutes on each side, guys. Each side. Okay, so this is what your chicken should look like. Nice and golden brown. And it's almost ready to be taken out. I'm just letting the other side finish cooking. Make sure you drain that grease off of that chicken. Whether you need to use a paper towel, a newspaper, whatever you need to use. Get the grease off the chicken, please. Voila, it's all done. Look at that. Nice and crunchy gourmet chicken. Baby, I'm telling you, this sandwich is about to be so bomb. You don't even know what I'm about to get into, but it's about to be so bomb. Just watch. You just watch. So we're going to let Lene toast the buns today. She got the easiest job in the house. Toast the buns, Lene. Oh, toast the buns, Nay. Hurry up, Nay. We're starving. We want to eat, Nay. Don't touch the grease. Oh, and as y'all can see, that's cinnamon in the background boiling to make sure that nasty, dirty grease smell is not here. So we like to boil cinnamon, okay? But toast the buns. She's going to toast them on the stove, but we realized that takes a long time, so we decided to use the toaster oven. Lanaja is going to make the mayo, the spicy mayonnaise. She's going to use a little bit of mayonnaise. Okay, she got a slight hard jaw, but she make the best spicy mayonnaise. Couple squirts of mayonnaise. Skirt. Yeah. Whoa, that's a lot of mayonnaise, but you need this much. Keep on squirting, baby. Keep on squirting. Oh, so then she grabs the paprika and gets the doing. Whoa, what the heck was she thinking? That was a lot. Then she puts a little bit of paprika in there, baby. Don't follow her. Just season as much as you think you do. Then she puts a little bit of, I think that's cayenne pepper in there. Yeah, we let her do it. We let her do her own thing. However many season to taste, as like she likes to say. And then she puts some cajun to give it a little bit of more flavor, because honestly with all of that it still tastes like just mayonnaise, so you want to make sure you get a nice bit of flavor in there. And she put some hot sauce in there. Oh wow. Oh dang. Okay, so what you do next? So this girl goes and dumps some more cayenne pepper in there, a bunch of it, Cajun sauce, and more hot sauce in that thing, because it had no taste. And she get to whispering it up. Brrr, circle it, circle it, circle it, whisper, whisk. Okay, that look kind of good, Naja. Okay, I see you, Naja. All right. Ooh, that look good, girl. Ooh, the brioche bun done. Ooh, ah. So then she takes the spicy mayonnaise and puts a good amount on the brioche bun. Oh my God, this is going to be so amazing. Then I go in and I put them pickles up on that thing, baby. Now you tell me that don't look good. I know it do, baby. All right there. So then I put the sandwich all together and I try to take a picture with it, but Lene couldn't get the camera right.